Hi, I'm David, a post office manager, and my job is to keep our local post office running smoothly. Every day, I help customers post letters and parcels, manage our team, and make sure everything's shipshape. I'm in the coordinator cluster, which means I'm ace at organizing things and keeping all the parts of our post office working together like clockwork. To do this job well, I need to be good with numbers, have the patience of a saint with customers, and be more organized than a library. I started as a counter clerk and worked my way up, learning the ropes as I went. Post office managers like me work all over the world, from busy city centers to tiny village shops. Our work is dead important because we help keep people connected, making sure those birthday cards, important documents, and care packages reach their destinations. The best part of my job? Knowing I'm at the heart of our community, helping people stay in touch. So next time you pop into your local post office, spare a thought for us coordinators working behind the scenes to keep everyone connected.